some sort of earthquake. Welcome to Hello, I am Clutch. Hello, I am Clutch. And today I'm in Gatlinburg, Tennessee to go on a ride that I've been wanting to go on ever since I found out about it. Earthquake, the ride, there it is. This is nothing like the one that was at Universal Studios. This is cheap and fun in the best way. It's a so bad it's good kind of ride as far as I know, and I'm incredibly excited to go on it. And I'm going to take you along with as much as I can. But just know that this is one of those fun dark rides that is just kooky and crazy, and I believe it is kind of like the Universal one in its base idea, but then it just goes off the rails, so. And I don't know if that's literal or not. We will find out. All right, come on, let's go. We got this great sign here that just love the way it looks.
It's time for Earthquake, the ride.
Now we're gonna go.
Earthquake, the ride is rated 4 stars by World of Entertainment Incorporated.
So it's about 15 bucks a person here. As you can see, before we even get on the ride, the earthquake is already happening. We go on some fun rails here. Who knows what's gonna happen? It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be fun. There's little effects everywhere over here. The columns, they're doing things. The door is opening like something bad's gonna happen. It's a fun little thing that we're about to do. Okay, so you're supposed to go to the right, but then there's already these people. Those aren't people. Wait a minute. They just kind of fell against. They're just listening for the earthquake to ride. Oh, it's boarding. Okay, we're going on. All right, everyone, let's get ready. Train is now boarding. All right, we're on Earthquake the ride. Oh.
An interactive experience that combines the very latest special effects and an exciting action adventure.
Ooh, exciting action adventure, everyone.
Now for a couple of safety checks. You must remain seated at all times, and your seatbelt must be securely fastened.
This is so exciting.
Your hand.
First ride. First ride.
At all times. Do not reach out on the train. It could be dangerous.
So when I say dark ride, it is currently a very dark ride.
Station control, this is train 13. Are we clear for departure?
Station control.
We're clear.
Am I allowed to make noise? Am I allowed to narrate?
You can make sounds, it's fine.
I just don't want to ring the
That's my sister in the background for everyone at home who's not watching this video yet. Oh God, there's a train coming for us!
I thought we were clear!
I did it!
Station control, we have a train on our track and it's coming at us!
That's what I said!
Bro, we have a train on our track and it's coming right at us!
Yeah, we heard. Okay, here we go! Ah! Oh God, it's getting crazy. We're leaning back. It's absolutely... Why are we going towards it? Why? Ah! Hey! Okay. That sounds not like a human. What could that be?
The train crashed, it's on fire!
Oh! Ah, it's a gorilla! Ah! What's this over here? What is happening? Why? Some sort of earthquake. Ah! Okay, that almost got you. This is amazing.
That guy's pretty happy.
That guy's is fine. Okay, we're just going backwards and forwards. Okay, this is gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine, everyone. An alligator! Might be a crocodile! That's how you tell! Oh my gosh! It's warm in here. Why am I wearing a jacket?
Don't worry, we're gonna make it.
Okay. As long as there's no more gorillas, I think we'll be fine. Oh no, a gorilla! We're not fine! Ladder! Acid! Acid! That's the fun kind! Oh my gosh! So much craziness happening there. We're just going backwards and forwards. We're not doing a great job of getting us out of here. There he God. Those are terrible cars. We made it. We're alive. Okay, so that was Earthquake. The ride. Yes, it was a ride. I know it's kind of dark in there, so not sure how much you saw, but that was amazing. That was just so much more than I thought it would be. You don't really go too far in. You just kind of go back and forth into these scenes, but there's water effects, there's little string effects, things are moving, things are kinetic. The whole seat just kept moving and shaking, and it was all over the place with what it was trying to do, with there being a monkey, crocodile, rats, everything. That was one of the most fun 4 minutes I've ever had on a random ride, so highly recommend this. That is such a, it's not even so bad it's good, it was just really fun. I will say, so it is $15 a ride, and it does feel very quick for $15, but knowing that going in, I think it's fine. It's not something you need to do again and again and again, but I was with my siblings as I was riding it, so we were having a good time, but that was absolutely worth it. Definitely, if you like dark rides, if you like silly, one-off, so bad it's good kind of attractions, please, come ride this thing. This was amazing. It is now open. That's the perfect time to do it, so, yeah. So glad you could come along with me. Hope you saw something, but if not, get on out here. It's a good time. As long as there's no more gorillas, I think we'll be fine.